जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल चाल है आपके? ठीक हैं, उम्मीद है सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो अगर आपको लास्ट लेक्चर याद हो तो उसमें हमने दो फार्मूलाज के बारे में पढ़ा था कि दैट इफ़ वी got the different variables and they are adding with each other or subtracting with each other, just like I can write to that expression that a plus or minus b whole square. So if we got the two variables and they are adding or subtracting with each other, and then after we are taking the square, that how can we write this expression? So that can be written as the square of first plus square of second, and then plus or minus. If we got the sign plus over here, then we will write plus, and if we got the sign minus over here, then we write the sign minus over here, and then 2ab. So if we read this formula with the different signs a plus minus b whole square, then this will be equal to a square plus b square plus minus 2ab. इसको हम इस तरीके से भी पढ़ सकते हैं that the square of first plus square of second and then plus minus 2ab, 2 into first into second. So today we are going to take some examples related to these two formulas. So as you see, you can see the heading that some examples related to the algebraic formulas that we have learned in our previous lecture, that if two variables are adding or subtracting with each other, and then after we take the square of them, then they will be equal to like that. So we're going to take some examples. Let's suppose that if I take two kind of different variables, just suppose that the first is 2a plus, you can say, 5b, and when we will take the square of them, so this can be written in the simplest form that we have learned about the square of first and the square of second, then plus or minus 2 into first into second. So यहाँ पे अगर आप देखें तो फर्स्ट टर्म आपके पास ये है 2a और सेकंड टर्म आपके पास 5b है। इसमें एक और चीज़ आपको मैं बताता चलूँ कि इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने के और भी तरीके हैं। जैसे 2a plus 5b लिखा हुआ है एंड होल रेज टू पावर 2 लिखा हुआ है, तो इसको हम इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं that 2a plus 5b into 2a plus 5b। पावर 2 है तो उसको हमने दो दफ़ा में लिख लिया। वो वाला एक्सप्रेशन जिसकी पावर 2 लिखी हुई है उसको हमने दो दफ़ा लिख लिया, और फिर आपने पिछली क्लासेस में ये पढ़ा होगा कि जब इस तरह की सिचुएशन क्रिएट होती है वो मल्टीप्लाई किस तरीके से किया जाता है. दिस एक्सप्रेशन, हाउ कैन वी मल्टीप्लाई दिस एक्सप्रेशन with this expression. So when we go in the senior classes, so we learn the things in shortcuts. So ये प्रोसेस जो है ये थोड़ा लंबा हो जाता है, इसलिए हम डायरेक्ट मेथड जो है वो यूज़ करते हुए फार्मूला जो है वो अप्लाई कर देते हैं. सो एग्जांपल ये है आपके पास 2a + 5b होल स्क्वायर. सो how can we write this formula like using this formula, that square of first 2a, so square of first plus square of second plus 2, ये अगर आप देखें यहाँ पे 2 इंटू फर्स्ट वैल्यू कौन सी है आपके पास 2a इंटू सेकेंड वैल्यू क्या है 5b. So if you remember in the previous classes, when you multiply the expressions like that, so that's going to take a long process. But in these classes, you can say in 9th or 10th class, that's the shortest way that we can write this expression like that by using the formula, this one, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Or in other words, in simple words, we can say that the square of first plus square of second plus 2 into first into second. So in this example, that we got the two terms 2a and 5b, a different kind of two variables with the coefficient of the first coefficient is 2 and the second coefficient is 5. So when these are adding with each other and then squaring after, so we can write this expression into this. I'm going to repeat it again, that how can we write this expression, that's the first term, that's the second term. The square of first, so 2a whole square, then plus square of second term 5 है, 5b है, 5b whole square, then plus 2 into first term 2a है, and second term 5b. So in one more step that we can simplify the things, that what's the answer of this expression or this formula, this expression by using this formula. So 2a whole square means that's 2 2s are 4, and a square means a square, plus 5 square means 5 5s are 25. There's no need to tell you about that thing, that if the square means that if anything have the square, then it means that value will be multiplied by 2 times with its own number. Means कि अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसी वैल्यू है जिसका स्क्वायर लिया जा रहा है, तो उसका मतलब है कि उस वैल्यू को आपने 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. जैसे 2 को 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई किया तो ये आपके पास 4 आ गया, a को 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई किया तो a स्क्वायर आ गया. देन 5 को मल्टीप्लाई किया 2 टाइम्स, 5 स्क्वायर मीन्स 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5, equals to 25. And then b square means b multiplied by b, then b square, plus, just simplify this thing by multiplying the numbers with each other and then the variables. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So you can write this thing in simplest form, 20 and then a and b. These are two different variables, so they will be written like a and b. So that's the simplest form that we can write of this form in simplest, the easiest way that we can write in this expression. तो ये छोटी सी एग्जांपल थी जो कि आपको मैंने पिछले लेक्चर में जो फार्मूलाज दो बताए थे, वो आज मैंने दोबारा से भी ये यहाँ पे आपको रिपीट कर दिए. इस तरह की एग्जांपल्स जब आप लिखेंगे या समझने की कोशिश करेंगे तो उसमें आप इनको डायरेक्ट मेथड के साथ इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. So take another example that to understand the things more easily, that just suppose now I'm going to take some variables in different alphabets. That suppose if I write x plus 3y whole square. So how can we write this expression by using that formula? So same again, write the square of first. So the first term is x, so square of x, plus square of second term is 3y, so it means that 3y whole square, then plus 2 into first, so first value x here, into second value 3y. So if you can see that the thing I have tried to tell you about in 3 steps, now I am going to complete in 2 steps. So square of first means x square plus 3y square means 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9, and y square means y square, plus 2 into first into second, so multiply 2 with 3, 6, and x, y will multiply with each other like that, x, y. So that's the solution by using the formula. So in my next and last example, I'm going to solve any kind of example in just only one line. Just suppose I'm going to take 7y plus, you can say 9z. So I took the 2 variables like y and z with the numbers. The coefficient of y is 7 and the coefficient of z is 9. So when we take the whole square of this thing, so how can you be the how can you write this expression in just only one line? So how are you going to give this answer just only in one line? So just look at it. The square of first 7y. When you take the square of 7y, that will be 49y square. Then sign of plus. Square of second 9z means 9 multiplied by 9, 81, and z square. Then again plus sign. Then 2 into first into second. So 2 multiplied by 7, 14, and then you multiply 14 with 9, then it will be 126. So 126 YZ. So that's the answer that I have completed in only one line. So it's just to understand the thing that if we use this formula, so how can we simplify the different kinds of expressions? Like I have given you some examples. The first one is this, second one is this, and the third one is this. So if you see, I have completed my first example in 3 steps, the second one is 2 steps, and the third one is in only 1 step. So that's the easiest way to solve these kind of expression by using the formula a plus b whole square. उम्मीद है कि इन चीज़ों की आपको समझ आई होगी. As I have already told you that we are learning the things about the class 8, 9 and 10th. So I will take some more examples from the book 9th or 10th or class 8 to tell you about that how can you simplify the things by using the formulas. So आज के लेक्चर में उम्मीद है कि आपको समझ आई होगी कि किस तरीके से फार्मूला यूज़ करते हुए आप चीज़ों को सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं. अपनी अगली वीडियो में कुछ और एग्जांपल्स के साथ मिलेंगे. चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा ताकि आने वाले वक्त में जो वीडियोस अपलोड हों वो आपके काम आ सकें. सो थैंक यू सो मच. ओके जी, खुदा हाफिज़. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह निगहबान.